Your company's most valuable assets are the people who make up your company, so you need to invest where it counts the most. Most companies have experienced flawed communication and confusion about goals and outcomes. Yet there is a pattern for the perfect team, one where communication is flawless. There's clarity about mission, and everyone has emotionally bought in, paving the way to greater efficiency. Discover the pattern when you schedule a John Maxwell certified DISC instructor to hold a training for your company. This science-based DISC assessment and training tests individuals privately and reveals to them how much of a D, I, S, or C they are. This seemingly simple yet poignant realization will be worked through as a group to reveal how each person communicates best, and that is where the ROI is found. Managers will appreciate how they can leverage the team map that their Maxwell certified DISC instructor builds to reveal how their team personality is positioned and how it can be repositioned for maximum effectiveness. The results are powerful: increased operational speed, new levels of quality, a higher standard of care, and a creativity uplevel. It all happens when barriers to communication are lowered. Imagine what the business could look like when everyone who you work with is empowered to give their absolute best. Invest in your people. They are your business, and the money will follow.